Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Check iOS and free up space so apps run smoothly, then open the writing tool you prefer. Once the app is installed, grant necessary permissions like microphone for dictation and iCloud for sync. Tap to create a new document and name it. This reduces clutter and speeds finding drafts later. Make sure keyboard features are enabled in Settings. Predictive text and autocorrect save time. Now you have a live document ready to shape your first lines. Now you move into drafting and structuring. Begin with a quick outline using headings or a template to anchor ideas. This makes revision faster. Type some short, focused paragraphs, then switch to dictation for longer spoken sections. It catches flow and saves typing energy. Make selective formatting choices. Bold key phrases, use bullets for lists, and insert comments to mark edits. Once done, version control by duplicating the file before heavy edits, so you keep the original safe. Finish by editing and exporting. Perform 3 passes. Check structure first, then clarity, and finally grammar and punctuation. Reading aloud exposes awkward phrasing. Use the app's built-in editor or a third-party check for grammar, then export to the format you need: PDF for sharing, docx for collaborators. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle iCloud sync for the app, force quit and relaunch the app, then restart your iPhone. If that fails, duplicate the file and try exporting the copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.